Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming compatibility. Check that your laptop or phone supports HDMI alt mode over USB-C and that your display has an HDMI input. Once confirmed, choose a proper USB-C to HDMI cable or an active adapter rated for HDMI 2.0/2, one so you get the resolution you need. Plug the cable into the device's USB-C port firmly. You do this now so the hardware negotiates video signals. Make sure power settings allow external displays during the connection process. Once the cable is connected and the display input is selected, wait for the handshake. You should see the device detect the external screen. In your computer or phone display settings, set resolution and refresh rate to match the HDMI version of the cable or adapter so the image is stable and color is correct. If you use a long cable or a device without native alt mode, make sure to use an active adapter to maintain signal integrity. Also, choose mirror or extend depending on your workflow. After configuration, verify audio routes to the HDMI output in sound settings and run a quick video or slideshow to confirm both picture and sound. Once done, tweak scaling or orientation if items appear too large. You want a comfortable, readable display. If the screen doesn't appear, first swap the cable or try a different HDMI input, then update graphics drivers or firmware. Make sure your USB-C port supports HDMI alt mode. If it doesn't, an active adapter or docking station is required to complete the connection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.